Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious cheese jalapeno poppers. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 12 fresh jalapenos, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar. Don't forget 6 slices of bacon, cut in half, and a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs for an optional crispy coating. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to the fun part, preparing the poppers. Carefully slice each jalapeno in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds and membranes. In a bowl, combine your softened cream cheese, shredded cheddar, and any desired seasonings like garlic powder or a pinch of salt. Generously fill each jalapeno half with this creamy mixture, then snugly wrap each one with a half slice of bacon. This adds incredible flavor and texture. It's time to cook these amazing poppers. You have a few great options. For baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the bacon is crispy. If you prefer air frying, set it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Or, for a classic deep-fried version, cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Enjoy the delicious aroma. Finally, let's talk about enjoying your perfectly cooked jalapeno poppers. Serve them warm, perhaps with a side of Cool Ranch or a tangy blue cheese dip to complement the spice. A sprinkle of fresh chopped chives or cilantro can add a lovely finishing touch. These poppers are an absolute crowd pleaser, perfect for any party or a cozy night in. Get ready to savor every bite of this delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.